Okay, guys. So I just got into the room and she is nice. I'm gonna do a little room tour for you guys. Let me put my stuff down. Hold on. Okay, this is really freaking nice. Look how cute this place is. And we are literally like so close to everything, bro. Like, it is busy. Here's the bedroom. She cute. Oh, and there's the washer and dryer. Linens. This is nice. If this was my apartment, I would love it. And here's the bathroom. She cute. And they're so happy to be here. That $36 taxi ride was not even bad, girl. Hi guys, coming to you today. We're out here. We had a couple drinks. We ate. We're about to get some beignets. Y'all, it's lit out here. Look what we got. Okay, hi guys. I am checking in probably for the first time. This is our second day. We had a good time last night, but I just didn't really vlog a lot. We were out. We had a good time. But today we're about to go on a boat trip and we're about to eat right now. So I will check in again later. So nice over here. Okay guys. We're about to get on a boat. It's the river. It's lovely.
It's so quiet, but I hear
Smart. Hey guys, happy Mardi Gras. Checking in. It is now March 1st. I haven't vlogged too much this trip. We've been really having a good time though. We're about to go get some food now and I'll catch you later. Everybody's in costume. Okay, we just came to get some food. I ate. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys any of my food. We were starving. We've been out here on Bourbon Street having a good time, walking around. little bit of live music. I think this little area is so cute.
Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on
Guys, I have not been feeling up to vlogging this trip. It's just really been relaxing, so I think I'm just gonna say that this was a break from like really vlogging. This is gonna be a really short video, but I'm still gonna have like a full day today, so I'm gonna show you all like what I do within this last day because I don't get on the flight until 6 o'clock, so I got quite a bit of time. It's like noon now. What else? I just really want to like walk around today and just see the sights like we've been doing, but I don't know, I like New Orleans. I've been having a good time. I would definitely recommend it. Hey guys, checking in for the last time. This is our last day here. Elisa already left. I'm currently about to eat some food for the first time, so just want to check in and tell you guys I had a really good time. I am so exhausted and I'm ready to go home. Massage. Let's see if people having a good time. It's the French market. It's so pretty over here. Currently walking through the French Quarters Market. And there's so many cool like little knickknacks and things to buy. It's cool. So guys, I did a bit of shopping. I got this really cute hat and a smoothie. I told you guys that I ate already, and I've just been kind of walking around the French Quarters Market and the French Quarters, just, you know, exploring everything. And I am in love. It's just been so relaxing today, just to like chill, not really have too much to do, and just not worry and just walk. It's literally been the best part of my day today. So I am having a great day. Excited to hop on this flight. Still patiently waiting. Hi guys, I'm just taking a walk. Here's some live music. Hey guys, still walking, still doing some shopping. Y'all know I can't go nowhere without shopping, so I had to get that in. Found this really cute little book, some incense, and this hat, and I'm literally so obsessed with this hat. So I'm about to go see if I can find some art, and then I'll be done. I'm so happy that I got the chance to focus on myself this trip, because I feel like I normally don't do that as much when I'm like shopping. I usually think about everybody else, but this time I really sat down. I was like, no, this is your trip. It's for you. Focusing on myself. And I actually feel really good about that.
She might be white, we don't know.
Sometimes you just gotta do it for you. And travel. I mean, this is like such a big portion of my life, so like that's why travel is really such a big deal to me. Look at all this, you guys. And look at this Sammy right here. So cute. The art here is so beautiful. All these artists are amazing. And the tattoos. They have readings. Gypsies, voodoo, all kinds of stuff. These are so beautiful. Alright guys, so I am headed back to the hotel now, and that is the end of this vlog. You guys will probably just see me on a plane. So bye. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.